Hey loves, welcome to my channel. By the title you already know this makeup look is inspired from Iqra Aziz. She is a Pakistani actress and she's so beautiful. If I were a boy now, I'm going to sure propose. Obviously she's not going to accept it, but you know, like, I'm going to have a crush on her. She's that much beautiful. Obviously, I can't look beautiful like her, but I tried my best to recreate her makeup from Suno Chanda. Suno Chanda is a serial and it's really funny and awesome. They both, like actor and actress, act really well. If you want to see some Pakistani serials, so you can watch it. It's a really good serial. So let's go to the video, and before go to the video, just pause here, okay? 52% people watch my video but didn't subscribe. I mean, why? Why you guys didn't subscribe? It's free. It's absolutely free. Just you need to click a button and the ring bell, and you're done. I mean, you're liking my video and it's still not subscribing me. I'm not kidding. Please do subscribe, guys. It's really important for me and I want to grow this YouTube channel really big. So please help me. And let's go to the video. In the serial, her skin is not that much matte, so I am using Nivea Aftershave Balm as my primer. For foundation, I am taking Milani 2-in-1 foundation and my shade is 10. For concealer, I am taking Maybelline Rewind Concealer and putting it in my under eye, eyelids and smile line. Now I am setting my under eyes and rest of the face.
You can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat.
For eyeshadow, I am using Technic Trendsetter palette and taking this brown color and using it as my transition color.
Evaporating your bindings, move like the sunlight, darkness can't...
Now I am taking this orange brown color and darkening my eye crease and also eyelids. Now I am mixing the orange color for more orangish vibe. Now I am taking this bronzy shimmer color and putting it in my eyelids, also my inner corner and brow bone. Now I am taking that orange brown color again and putting it in my under eye. Also I am putting little bit shimmer on my under eye. In the serial, she had really tiny thin eyeliner, so I am doing that. First, I am drawing a liner with eyeshadow and then I am using an eyeliner. She don't have that much strong contour, so I am doing slightly contour with Revolution Ulta Contour Palette. In the serial, she has more blush than contour and I don't have any coral blush. So I am using an eyeshadow as my blush. And I am putting blush also on my nose because she has that. In the picture what I am seeing, she don't have that much highlighting portion. So I am using little bit of highlighter on my higher point. For lips, I am using Pudaier matte lipstick and its shade I am going to put it in the description bar. And then I am mixing Beauty Glazer 115.
Move like the
new, then give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. It's really important for me. And happy Eid guys. I hope this Eid brings happiness and joy for you. I know this is going to be a little bit boring, but yeah, I hope you will going to enjoy it with your family, and stay safe, stay happy.